How do you convert from an improper fraction to a mixed number? Piece of cake. It's all about making it a division problem. 14 over 3 is the same as 14 divided by 3. 14 divided by 3 is 4 remainder 2. So the 4 becomes the whole number, the remainder becomes the numerator, and the denominator stays exactly the same. You can also do it in your head. 3 times what gets closest to 14 without going over? 4. How many more would it take to count up to 14 from there? 2. And the denominator stays the same. That's how you convert from an improper fraction to a mixed number.